Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G13 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this phone. So, firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector, so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush or cotton swab or any other soft plastic object, soft polymer object, so as not to damage your moisture protection and your USB charging port itself. Sometimes there is dust or lint in your charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. As you can see, there is some dust in my port, and to get it out, firstly we need to take the cover off, then just insert the one part of your object into the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.